you mind if I sit down? Indiana was a long shot, and I could use another round. I don't mean to be too bold. No, it's not at all like me. But when you're making your way home, would you like some company? 'Cause I'm tired of sleeping on my own. And I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Whiskey eyelids weigh me down some. When a smoke-filled talk comes too close, and it's these moments where my mind runs from the emptiness of open roads. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Come tomorrow, I'll be gone again. So don't ask me for much. I'm no good at keeping promises. I promise this is enough. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. Oh, it's such a goddamn lonely road. And I'm sleeping alone. But you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? 'Cause you remind me of someplace I call home. Can I stay with you a while? I wish I could leave my skin behind in this old rented room, float my way across the great divide and be buried in you. I've been looking far and wide for what I gotta prove, and putting peaks in my rear view. Well, it's colder here than anyone told me the South could get, and I took to staying up real late and smoking cigarettes. The cheap tobacco burns the way that bridge between us did, and I'm left looking at the glowing ends. But am I too far gone turn them in reverse. I'd take back every long goodbye with venom in my words. The only way to being found is getting lost at first, but all I find are more bridges to burn. So am I too far gone to be running home? 'Cause I'm longing tonight to be somewhere across that great Well, the highway has a way of playing tricks on tired eyes. I swear that I see you riding shotgun late at night. Seems that you're the only thing that never leaves my mind, the only thing worth getting right. So am I too far gone? 'Cause I'm running home. If only in my mind I am somewhere across that great divide.
If there's a chance that we could get away a night or two, I'll take your hand at the wheel so we can make it through. And if we lose what we had for something that is new, oh, I will follow in your path so I can get to you.